One day, they're everywhere in your life, talking, laughing, sharing everything. And the next day, they disappear. No explanation, no closure, nothing. It feels personal, it feels cold, it feels like you did something wrong. But what if it was never about you at all? Here's the truth most people miss. People don't just cut others off randomly, and they definitely don't do it without a reason. But the reason is almost never what you think. Think about this. There was someone who used to reply instantly. Long conversations, late night talks, inside jokes only you two understood. And then slowly, replies got shorter. Energy changed. Something felt off. You asked yourself, did I say something wrong? So you tried harder, more messages, more effort, more chasing. And then one day, they were just gone. No goodbye, no explanation, just silence. Reason 1, emotional overload. Some people feel too much, too deeply. When emotions get overwhelming, they don't communicate, they escape. Impact. They cut people off not because they don't care, but because they can't handle the intensity. Reason 2, avoidant personality. Closeness feels dangerous to them. The moment things get real, they pull away to protect themselves. Impact. The deeper the connection, the faster they disappear. Reason 3, identity reset. Sometimes people outgrow who they used to be, and instead of explaining, they erase everything tied to their past. Impact. You're not rejected, you're just part of a version of them they left behind. But here's where it gets dangerous. You start overthinking everything. Every message, every word, every moment. You replay conversations in your head looking for a mistake that may not even exist. You blame yourself, your confidence drops, and slowly you lose control of your own emotions, trying to understand someone who chose silence. So what should you do? First, stop chasing closure. Silence is already an answer. Second, don't take it personally. People act based on their own internal struggles. Third, pull your energy back. Focus on your life, your growth, your peace. And most importantly, accept this truth. Not everyone who enters your life is meant to stay. Because sometimes people don't leave to hurt you. They leave because they don't know how to stay. And the real question isn't, why did they cut me off? The real question is, when someone walks away without explaining, do you lose yourself trying to understand them, or do you finally choose yourself instead?